ready.
I hope I'm in front here. Hey, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you. This is North Carolina 28, May 29th, maybe? I don't know. It's a Friday. Not that Fridays in my world matter. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. The honey shack. If they still had honey there, I'd stop. I don't know though. Bee farmers are now charging like $20 for a pint of honey. Your honey's not worth that much. Everybody's got their own get-rich-quick scheme. Groundhogs are cool. That ringtone, if you're interested in it, you can find it. It's called Android Kills iPhone or something like that. Somebody kicked a lot of gravel on this road. Saturday morning I crashed this bike. There was a cop sitting up here in the little pull-off, and I would expect that to be the norm through summer on this road. I wouldn't expect it on a weekday, because there's just no sports car and bike traffic through here. But Saturday and Sunday, I would expect there to be a cop or two out here on this road. So if you see somebody coming at you flashing their high beams, slow down. Slow down. Otherwise, you're probably all good. I feel like I would have tapped his helmet if there was a cop up here around the turn, because we're almost to where they sit. Not that I'm speeding. I haven't broken 30 miles an hour yet. As much improvements as they've done on this road, they should take the speed limit back to 55. But then they wouldn't be able to pay for all these improvements with speeding tickets. But if you're going to meet a cop, he's probably going to turn his radar on about right now. And then you're going to see him. So those of you with loud pipes, just know he's going to be sitting right there where that car is. And he's going to have your speed before you even know he's there. They're doing the same thing, Graham County. If you're on US 129, there's only one passing zone once you go underneath the big pipe at Yellow Creek Road. There's a big water pipe that runs across the road, and then just after that there's a passing zone. So I've seen the deputy sheriffs sitting in the two handicap spaces tucked in the weeds in that little parking area, and they're shooting radar southbound on US 129. So if you get a ticket racing through there on that, because it's a nice long straightaway, don't pull out, thank you. If you get a ticket on that long straightaway, after you've watched my video, don't say I didn't warn you. Today I would expect there to be 3 deputy sheriffs from Yellow Creek to Poco Lodge. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, I would expect 3 deputies there. Graham County is making some money. All right, heading to US 74 now. So yeah, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.